Welcome to Forex Travels. Today we'll be analyzing US30 and NAS100. So without wasting time, let's get into it. Okay guys, as you can see, we're on the daily time frame on US30. So let me just do this. You can just see. So as you can see, I've already analyzed or set up my levels, the level that I'm seeing on the market. So yeah, let me just do this first. Okay, we have a clean chart now. So bear in mind we're on a daily time frame. So as you can see, the market is around this area here, and you have a level here, support, resistance, and some two levels inside. So at first you can see, starting from this point over here, we have been uptrending up until here. Put it over here, but I'm just gonna put it over here. So as you can see, we are going on an uptrend. But if you were to look closely, starting from here, starting from here over this area here, you can see here having this kind of a movement. So some may say this triangle or whatever, but this is not the case. So I'm just gonna remove this one here because I'm not be using it anytime soon. This one over here. This is a level. This is what we have on US30 so far. So you can see on the daily time frame that the market is playing around this area here. As you can see, first touch, second touch, this is our third touch. So I'm basically anticipating a move to the lower side because of the third touch on this area here. And by the looks of things, we did have a touch here and the market still pushed to the lower side, but it reached this level over here and it failed to push to the lower side. Hence it went back up, and we don't know if it's gonna be able to pull through again. So now you're going to focus on this level. So let's use this. So as you can see over here, now it's making a lot of mess. Just use this over here. The market did bounce here. So basically the market tends to bounce on this area here. As you can see, went back down and bounced and went back down again. So this area is well respected. So once we break below this level over here, because as you can see here, we had this push to the upper side, we touched this area here, and also here we push it up and we touched this area here, went back here, bounced out and went back down. So we could see an SA movement occurring on this area here. So let's just move to the 4-hour time frame to see what's really going on. I'll just remove this line over here. Let me just fix my charts first so you all can see everything that I'm doing here. Okay, so as you can see, we are around this area here. So I just want to focus more likely around this area here. So yeah, sorry about this guys. Okay, so as you can see from this point over here, we had a push to the upper side like this. And by the looks of things, you can see we have been pushing to the upper side and the market failed. Did break here, one back inside, and did break here. Okay, so there's a lot going on over there. So but if you were to look closely, I think I'm seeing another level on the market around this area here. So there's another level that I'm seeing on the market. Wait, let me just do this first. Let me put it over here so it doesn't disturb us. Okay, so as you can see, as I've said, we are looking for potential sell movements. So on this area here, would we say that we are going here, the market is here or here? So if we were to put it like this, you can see that the market is still pushing to the lower side. And okay, here again, sorry, okay, the level over here is the higher side. And starting a trend line here, pushing to the lower side. So let me just remove this line here because we don't usually need it now. Oh my god, why did I do? Oops, let me just do this first. Okay, so oh wait guys, I think I made a mistake. Okay, it's still good. All right, okay, so this is what we have basically. You can see that we are inside this pattern over here, and looks like wait, let me see first. I think we have, if we were to draw a triangle from here and put it like this, so this is what we have as well. So if we were to remove this one over here, it would be like this. So you can see that the market has been playing around this area here, this area here. So this is what we have. So you can anticipate a push like this, never retest before you push to the lower side. So the best way to enter on this trade is after we break out of this level here. So here we are going for the short positions. Stop loss will be over here. Let me just use this just to be on the safer side. But you can enter here, guys, if you're being honest, after the breakout. Just we have to be sure about the trade. So this is how we should trade US30, and we could just push up until this area here, but we know that the market won't just go for a long. So this will be our first take profit, second take profit here, and overall take profit over there. But then just to be safe, if you have to enter there, you can just put your stop loss right over there. So it's basically up to you. So yeah, that'll be all for US30. Let us move to NAS100. Okay, so now we are on NAS100. Guys, so even on NAS100, I done putting on the levels. So as you can see, these are the levels that we have. So these are the levels that we have. So you can see starting from here, we're pushing to the upper side. You have the level here, level here, level here. So I don't need to explain this. I'll just get into the analysis because I hope you all get this by now. So here you can see you have a beautiful trend line starting from here, pushing to the upper side. Let me just fix my points here carefully. Okay, over here. All right. So and let's cater for the upper side as well. Okay, so this is what we have. So basically, we are going to the upper side, and if we were to look closer here, something happened here. So we should be very careful of this place. So this is what we have on the daily time frame. Let's just move to the 4-hour time frame. Okay. What do we have, guys? What do we have? Let me just zoom out a bit. Okay, I'm quite confused about what's going on here, guys. I won't lie, but I'm just gonna try to figure out what's gonna be our next movement on NAS100, because in order for us to get the movement, the current movement, we should know what happened in the previous events. So I'm just gonna start here. Here. Okay, so guys, as you can see, I'm seeing a beautiful trend line to the upper side. Bear in mind, guys, I'm just doing this just to understand what's really going on, and you can see if we cater for the upper side as well. Okay, then for the upper side, this is what you have. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, and then you have this area here. You went down this, kind of like this. So you had that kind of movement, and so now I can see how NAS100 has been moving. So I'm gonna be able to interpret the current direction that we should anticipate on NAS100. So yeah, we're having this. Let me just choose this one here. And some can just put it like this and put it like this. It's quite also fine if it's more understandable for you. So you can see how NAS100 has been moving. It's been moving in some channels like push one, is it 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So after 4 touches, we're going to see a different movement. Push the upper side, a strong push. So this is what I'm interpreting from just doing that. Okay, here we are having here. Okay, there's no need for my lines to be perfect, guys, because I'm not using these things now. So here, I think, wait, I'm gonna have another level here. So let us see here. We had 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So now we are on this area here. So I'm just gonna focus here. I can see a level here, somewhere here. Is there a level though? Yeah, it is a level. You can see a level over there, and I can see what am I seeing now? Yeah, I'm seeing a beautiful trend here. First touch, second touch. Now we're anticipating a third touch. So basically on NAS100 will be selling. So yeah. Question is up until when? Because this is what we have. So I'll leave it up to you guys to see what, but I think we're gonna start selling because you're already selling. So decided the market is gonna touch this area here and respect it and push to the upper side. That could be another case though. But if you see the market pushing with a lot of momentum and breaking this area and retesting this level here, just know we are going for the sellers. Then just end after the retest has occurred. It could be right here on this level or right over here. So we'll just see what's gonna happen. But on this one, for now, we are looking for the sellers up until this area here. Other than you're looking for the buyers, we'll just see if we see a pin back candlestick, we can hold out a confirmation for the buy setup. So yeah, that's what's happening on NAS100. I hope you understand. That we all from us. F Extra World signing out.